Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Last episode we introduced the V6 swapped MR2, and today we're kicking off phase 2. This is where we finally take a deep dive into the car and see what's missing and what we need to do to it. So last time I showed you guys the condition of the car and what I'm working with, but this episode we're getting it out of where it's at and we are going to diagnose it. Now it's time to get this V6 MR2 one step closer to waking up. First thing we need to do is get this thing out of the spot it's been rotting in. It's been sitting for years, so it needs to move so we can diagnose it. Oh, there you go. Okay guys, we finally got it out. It took a while because these tires are locked up and you see they just dragged out. These T-tops don't fit this car. That's something we'll have to get. But yeah, it looks really good. This car is gonna look so good when we get it back on the road. Got that 1MZ engine in it, looking nice. I don't know if it starts. That's something we'll have to check. This handle is coming off. Still works though. It's got some trim behind, some exhaust manifolds. Just close that up. Come around to the other side. Over here, missing that side panel. Let's probably get that somewhere. So surprisingly, it's actually not missing that much, but like before we even try to start it, we still need to check the oil and the gas, because those are probably gone bad by now since it's been sitting for so long. After sitting for years, that old oil and old gas could probably damage the engine, so we don't want to do that. But yeah guys, we got it out of over there. And now it's in the daylight and we can finally start trying to get this thing back up and running. I think next episode we'll do a start attempt, and we will also we'll start putting the trim back on, maybe. Oh, what's that right there? On and off. Is this a kill switch? Here's the key. Right there. We'll get this thing back up and running after we get rid of this T-tops, because these don't fit. This MR2 is in rough shape, but every episode we're getting a lot closer to hearing this V6 start up for the first time in years. Next episode we're going to find any missing pieces that are like preventing it from starting, and then we'll give her a little bit of a start. If you guys want to see this V6 come back to life, hit that subscribe button, make sure to like the video because it helps out, and drop a comment telling me what you guys want to see done to the car. Next video, we'll see if this abandoned V6 MR2 will run.